Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is episode 4 of Dilmas. Yay! Okay, so today, what I want to tell you all about is opportunities to get discounted food and different promotions that go on that are not just during the holidays, but that happen at all different times. So these are just good apps to have in your phone or to check on every once in a while to see if you can get a discount because maybe you're out and about and you want to grab something to eat and you don't really want to spend a whole bunch of money. So the first app I want to talk about is Burger King. So if you go on the Google Play or the App Store, whichever one you have on your phone, and you type in Burger King, you should see this app. You click on it, go ahead and install it, and then open it up. As soon as you open up the app, it tells you the Whopper detour. Order a Whopper for 1 cent only at, in quotation marks, McDonald's. Unlock within 600 feet. Okay, so what they're saying is you can get a Whopper for 1 cent if you drive by a McDonald's. It's petty on Burger King's end. I know it is really petty. But hey, you can get a 1 cent Whopper. Like close to where I live, the McDonald's and the Burger King are right across the street from each other. So it's very convenient for me. If you have a situation like that, it works great for you. But if not, they give you an hour to pick up your order. You must pick it up within an hour, is what it says in fine print underneath the picture of the Whopper. And then there's even more fine print underneath that I cannot see to be able to read. Hey, I don't know, maybe they're counting on that. But anyway, so all you need to do is you can click on order now, or you can close out of that, see what all they have available. And it even tells you the breakdown of how many more days you have to be able to get the offer. And the list goes on and on and on. They actually have a lot in their app. So anyway, if you scroll back up to the top, the thing that looks the best to me right now and why they highlighted it is getting a Whopper for 1 cent. So I'm going to go back to that, click on it. It wants to be able to access your location. You want to allow that because it needs to know when you're nearby a McDonald's so you can actually get the offer. So definitely make sure that you turn that on, but it says to unlock by going near a McDonald's. So go near a McDonald's, then you should be able to click on that and take advantage of that offer. So definitely check out the Burger King app, but also there's another app that I want you to check out that I have been utilizing for probably, it's been going on for a little while now. I downloaded this app when they first started giving the offers out, and it has been very useful. So go back to the Play Store and I want you to type in Wendy's. Go ahead and install the Wendy's app and open it up. Now, when you open this app up, you will see in the top right hand side of the screen there is something that looks like a little tag, like a price tag or something. Like if you did a Christmas gift and you put a tag on there that says to and from, that type of tag. Once you click on that, then it will show you all the offers that they have available. And you can redeem each one of these offers once a day. Once you use it, it won't be on the app anymore for 24 hours or until the next day. I don't know if it's 24 hours, but it will come back on the app the next day. So I actually used one today, and that was the $2 off of any premium combo. So that's not on the app right now, but you can see all of these other offers that are on here, and they are very useful. They used to have, when I first started this, where if you buy any item, it could have been a small Frosty, you got a sandwich for free. And I forget which sandwich it was. It may have been a Dave single or something like that. And that was a really, really good offer. But they do have good offers on here regardless. And they do refresh them every once in a while and give you a new one or new ones. So definitely make sure that you check out the Wendys app as well. Another app that you can get offers is McDonald's. I have never used the McDonald's app before because I don't eat McDonald's, but this is what it looks like when it opens. It's going to ask you to activate your location if it's not on, just like any of the other apps. And if you don't already use this, it's going to ask you to put in like your name, email address, and it's going to send you an email, and you have to verify that you did sign up for this app before you can access it. So I've already done all of that. So apparently their best offer that they have right now is to buy a large sandwich and you get another for just $1 because that's what they're advertising to me. But I can click on view all deals and see the rest of them. You can buy one large sandwich, get one for $1, a dollar McDouble, dollar large fry, so forth and so on. They actually have quite a bit on their app as well. So definitely check them out. Another app to give a shot is Baskin Robbins. When you go on here, if you never used it before, you're going to have to create an account just like the other ones. It did ask me did I want to sign up for the birthday club to get free ice cream on my birthday. I did that, and now I am on the homepage of the app. If I go to deals, it says 7 deals. Let's see what they are. You can get a free regular scoop. Looks like you have to pay the tax though, maybe. But it expires next year on the 5th of January. Here are the other deals. And you can also see promotions on this page. So you can actually get something for free with the Baskin Robbins app. Good to know. Another app that I have used in the past from time to time, but I try to steer clear of for the sake of my waistline, is Krispy Kreme. I got a Krispy Kreme account when they first started doing the whole rewards thing, and that was in like maybe 2015 or something like that, but I've only used it a handful of times. But this is how it looks once you go ahead and sign in and get past everything, and you can see the dashboard of the app. Looks like they've changed the app some since I last seen it, which was a long time ago, so no surprise there. But if you go to rewards and offers, it says how do rewards work? Join Krispy Kreme Rewards, scan app in shop, or just provide your mobile phone number. Earn credits when you purchase your favorite Krispy Kreme treats or fast track through bonus opportunities. Redeem rewards on your next visit. They're ready to use. Enjoy. Okay, so you can click OK, got it. You can also say don't show this to me again. So the rewards, it says let's get started, 12 more credits and get 1 donut free. So whatever I've earned in the past, I think I redeemed it though actually. No, whatever I earned in the past apparently is gone. So I don't know when they refresh the credits or whatever, but this is different than when I used to use it anyway. So it looks like once you reach 12 credits, you have a lot of things that you can get for free. You can get a donut or a coffee or a dozen donuts or specialty coffee. They all say the same thing, so I'm believing they're all on the same level. And it's not once you get the free donut, then you can get the free coffee, then you can get the free dozen. I don't think it's like that. I think you can get it just as soon as you get 12 credits, you can get any of those items. In order to be able to do it, you're going to need to use your email, phone number, or scan your card to be able to get the rewards. You can also see offers, which is more along the lines of what we've been looking at. It looks like probably none of the offers are going right now, because when I look at the second offer, it's talking about when they were giving out Halloween donuts. And as you know, Halloween was a while ago, and then the expiration date for this caramel apple chiller ended on October 21st. So I'm thinking that all of these are old. Let's just open up the Halloween one and see what it says. Yes, this expired on the 9th of October. I remember hearing about this, but as you can see, this was only available to rewards members. So it actually pays to be a rewards member with Krispy Kreme, because they have things that only we as reward members can get. And they have things going on all the time. So I would definitely recommend downloading this app if you like Krispy Kreme and have one local to you. One app I have started using a little frequently is the Steak and Shake app, because I was working somewhere near one and it was open late and convenient for me. But when you open up the Steak and Shake app, it's going to ask you to let it access your location. Then you can go ahead and click get started. And let's go to rewards. So right now I have 1 point earned and I need 49 more points in order to be able to get something for free. So you earn 1 point for every dollar you spend. So if you have 50 points, that's $5 in rewards. If you go over to rewards at the top right, it will show you any coupons that you have earned previously. Before I used my coupon a couple of days ago, I had one on here that said I had a $5 loyalty reward. So if I bought something for $5 or less, I would get it for free. When you want to use the reward, you need to make sure that that check mark is to the right, and it will automatically use the reward when you use this app to pay. If you don't have it to the right, then it won't use it, and you will just pay whatever the regular price is until you switch it over to the right. Now this app is kind of just an addition that I'm throwing in this video, because it's not like the other apps where they have offers available to you. You don't see offers on here, but every time that you go to Steak and Shake and you order anything, you earn points, just like with the Krispy Kreme app. You will earn points anytime you use the app to pay. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and you found it informative. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilma's video.
You're a monster, Mr. Grinch, you're outside.